Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the margins in Canva to better align your content and improve your design's layout. Whether we're creating documents, presentations, or social media graphics, proper margins help keep everything clean and professional. On the Canva dashboard, if we drag and pick an element, we will see the margins appear. As you can see, they show up right away. We can use alignments, but if we want to show or change the margins, all we need to do is go to File and then click Settings. From here, we can click the Show Margin option. As you can see, the margins are now visible. We can also go back to File and Settings to add guides. Here, we can set custom margins. For example, we can set 20 on one side and 20 on the other. Once we have our guides in place, as you can see, the margins are now set. We can drag and drop them to match our preferences, and we can adjust them based on what we need. We can fine-tune them at any time. And that's how we adjust margins in Canva in just a few simple steps. With the right spacing, our designs will look more organized and visually appealing.